What's up guys? In this video I will show you how I remove the rust and the old paint on this open-ended wrench. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. As you can see, this wrench isn't in a very bad shape, it's just a little bit rusty and have a old and pretty ugly color. I'm starting this by adding some rust removal to remove all the rust. I'm using a steel brush. When I have removed most of the rust, I am going over to remove the paint. For this I'm starting to use a screwdriver. Then I go over to my bench grinder and removing the paint using a steel brush. It's very effective. After removing the paint, I start sanding the wrench to remove the last rust. And there you have it. This was a very easy and fast restoration and can be done at home by anyone. If you want to try this at home, I have linked all the tools that I have used in the description down below, so go check that out. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.